Okay, hello from beautiful Cyprus. Yesterday we had some news about the new rules. Okay, it was a big long text what they say. I tried to, I read it a few times to understand how they explain it, but I will make it easier for you. Basically they say if you are vaccinated traveling to Cyprus, you can from any country you can travel without the need to make any rapid test or any PCR test, and no guarantee. Then also they're gonna have categories, countries like before: red, green, orange, and gray. They will change the category of countries, from time to time. But basically, the good news, you can save you who is vaccinated to have to make rapid test on the airport before or after traveling. If not vaccinated, you're gonna have to make it depends from which country you come. You come from a red country, for example, you're gonna have to make a rapid test or PCR 2 hours or rapid test 24 hours before traveling to Cyprus, and also at the airport if you're coming from a red country. From a green country, you're gonna have to make a rapid test in advance 24 hours before traveling. Anyways, I will this is like a quick summary of the latest news. I will try to post a video explain them in more details. Fully operational.
In YouTube?
Yes, YouTube. It's okay? It's okay?
Можно сделать видео?
Конечно, не можно.
Да. Yes, make.
Опа! Only the dogs are make, okay? Yeah.
Карантин, слово карантин, когда карантин купили дети.
Да.
Ну как назвать?
Olympic Lagoon. Fully operational.
Да, готовы работать.
Да.
Я не вот. Aha, schöne Geldzahlen. Schön Tasse. Are you gonna make the video? Or
I'll make.
Yes.
Ach so.
Oh, da tam
Hadi Lukas.
Hey, he's tired. Let's see. Kiss me, laugh, chill out, we smile, create, forever young, respect, relax, eat, pray, laugh, dream big, no worries, believe. Now you can see the camera. Hello, we are here with some subscribers.
Okay, my name is Samuel. I'm one of his subscribers. I do follow him on his YouTube. And before I come to Cyprus, I've learned a lot from his YouTube. And now I'm here. Unfortunately, when I was working this morning, I saw him and the family.
So he recognized it. But he recognized the dog face, okay.
Yeah, I recognize the dog here. And the beautiful family, everyone.
Okay.
Thank you.
You'll be on the next video.
Oh, sure.
Thank you. Take care.